Hey guys, how's it going? Well, if it turns out you're getting some benefit from my window painting videos and you're started your own window painting business, or if you're just doing it for a hobby or fun, please take the time to like, subscribe, and share the video with others. And leave a comment too. I love reading the comments. Alright, on to the new video. Papa Murphy's here in Southeast Portland, and I painted about 3 of these stores a couple months ago, back in early fall. And part of the deal is they pay me then, and then I come back and take them off. So that's what I'm doing today. And it's a good day to take it off because it's raining outside, and there's some jobs I can't do. So I get it wet with a little soap and water like that, and I take one of these babies, a little razor, and just scrape it off. It just comes off like butter. The trick is, and you want to remember this if you are painting windows, to use a house paint with an eggshell finish. I rarely cut myself when I'm washing windows off, especially while I'm actually painting. But what happened this time, I was opening the package with the new blade and grabbed it wrong. So hell, I just wipe it on my pants. Yeah, just blends in with everything. See, it's not that bad. It was bleeding a lot, but it's not that bad. It's just a little tiny cut there. Oh, there it goes again. Well, I guess it's a little bit of a cut. Better put a band-aid on that sucker. Okay, I'm leaving the Papa Murphy's over here on 122nd Division, and I'm heading down to Halsey on that store. It's the last store to clean up. And yeah, I painted these, I don't know, a few months ago. Well, 2.5 months ago, a long time ago, beginning like September. And now I'm just back taking them off. It's kind of a nice day. It's kind of relaxing. You know, sitting in the warm van, crank my heater up, let the rain come down, just cruise around in my warm van and enjoy the day. And I'm gonna be home again soon eating my my Thanksgiving Day dinner again. It's all vegan, which is great. And with my filled roast, oh, it's so good. Oh, I forgot to tell everybody about this too. It's kind of cool. It's the Mean Green recipe from the film Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead with Joe Cross. I made these stickers and I put a couple of them on a magnets. I've got them on my refrigerator to remind me how to make this stuff, but I'm still drinking it off and on after 13 months, and I might even go on another juice fast. I'm thinking maybe in September for a week or something, just to detoxify.